know what? I believe that when God must have manufactured me, He must have, labeled me fragile. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dhriti and today I'm going to share with you some of my favorite skincare products. Now, I don't know, but I guess when I was manufactured, God must have labeled me as fragile because I have the most fragile, the most ultra sensitive, and the driest skin on the earth. And hence, it is very important for me to always keep it moisturized, hydrated, and soft. So I have tried quite a few products and some of them I have used over the years, and I would like to share with you my experiences of how each product turned out, and if at all you feel that you also have the same problems that I do, then maybe one of these products can be of use to you, or you can suggest me any product that you have used and it has worked for you. So let's start. Okay, now for any kind of skincare or cosmetic products, the closest brand to my heart is Lakme. I've been using Lakme products for over years now, and the most favorite product of mine is this beautiful looking bottle. As you can see, it is the Lakme Absolute Radiance Argan Oil, cream. It comes with the argan oil and it's a day cream, and I apply it every day. It keeps my skin smooth, moisturized, and very soft. It's like the first layer on the skin every day, and without that I feel like, I don't know, my face just doesn't feel correct. And the second one is the same series or same range, that is the Argan Oil Radiance Overnight Oiling Serum. So this is what I apply on. Like, you just need to put like a drop here and a drop here, and then you just massage it nicely in your skin, and in the morning the skin feels really like revitalized and glowy. Trust me, it's very good. Now the next one, also from Lakme, is this vitamin C night cream and day cream combo, which I love to use. They are just next to my heart, just like the argan oil combo, and it smells really well. I mean, you just open it, and I just bought it. This is a package thing. I haven't opened it yet, but trust me, it's very citrusy smell, because it's vitamin C, and it feels beautiful. And also it comes with a serum, okay, which you have to apply before sort of applying the cream. Again, it has the same soothing effect on your skin, and makes you feel really hydrated and soft on your skin. Okay, now next up are some sunscreens. So again, like I said, that for any kind of skincare products, my first choice is always Lakme. So again, for Sun Expert also, I have this Lakme Sun Expert 24 SPF. I also use the 50 SPF one, depending on where and when I'm using it. So I usually I have the most sensitive skin in the world. I cannot tolerate even a little bit of UV rays, so I have to apply sunscreen even when I'm inside the house, and hence when I'm inside the house I use a little lesser SPF, but if I'm outside the house I use a stronger SPF formula, and that is this Sun Cross. This is a medicated product. This is probably the most effective sunscreen lotion that I've seen so far. This one I use for the face, and this one I apply over my body. So these are the two sunscreen lotions that I use. They are very effective to protect you from any kind of harsh UV rays. Now some lip balms that I have tried over a period of time. So my most favorite is, though I don't know if it is recommended for all or not, but this is Vaseline, which I have to wear because, like I said, my skin is the most dry thing in the world. My lips go dry like all the time, and so I have to wear some kind of lip balm all the time. So I use Vaseline like most of the times. But yeah, when I'm traveling, I also use Lakme Lip Love. This is the lip balm I use. I kind of fell in love with it. It has a nice strawberry taste, and it is tinted. So when you apply it, it's white otherwise, but when you apply it, it gives a pink tint on your lips, so it almost looks like a lipstick or lip balm. And so here, then the third one I have is from Nykaa. I just bought it online from Nykaa app, and it's vanilla flavor. So more than So I don't know, I have tried it, it's not that effective, I feel, but yeah, the smell of vanilla is what makes me put it on my lips most of the times. But otherwise, I didn't find it very effective in terms of moisturizing my lips. And the best one is this Elizabeth Arden lip balm. It's not only a lip balm, it's kind of a skin repellent or skin protectant cream. You can apply it on cuts, or you can apply it on any tears on your skin or anywhere, and it will heal it. So this was recommended by one of my YouTuber friends who I follow, and since then I have been using it. I apply it in the night, and trust me, in the morning lips are really smooth. And if there are any cuts, or specifically during winter when your lips kind of get cracks and tears, that's when this cream is kind of very useful. So I recommend it highly if you are having this dry chapped lips issue all the time during winter. Now some moisturizing creams, and you can say lotions that I have used over the years. I told you again, with my skin, it's all about dryness, and you need to moisturize it all the time. So I personally love the Swiss Temple shea butter, vanilla and almond cream. It is amazing, guys. It is I mean, I don't know how to express it, but like, I applied on the driest parts of my body, like the elbows or the knees, and trust me, they remain soft, smooth, and it's like a layer it creates on my skin, and it remains soft and smooth throughout the day. The other one that I found, which is more like a revitalizing cream, I got it from the Body Shop, Oils of Life. It was a very beautiful and smelling cream that I used to apply at the night. It's kind of almost finished now, but trust me, it was worth it. It was kind of expensive for for the quantity, but trust me, it was very good. When I applied it at night, it felt really calming on my skin. I usually don't like to apply anything in the night, but some of these oils and creams that I've tried, they really make your skin feel really soothing, and the soft effect that you really need. And then my new favorite is this strawberry body yogurt that I got from the Body Shop again. Guys, this is something I have tried for the first time recently, and it smells beautiful, like fresh strawberries. And when you apply it on your body, like I apply usually when I am I finish my bath, I come out of my bath, and then I apply this cream immediately, so that my skin remains hydrated and moisturized. And trust me, till now, like, there's hardly any scratch on my skin. So otherwise my skin goes very dry within 8 to 10 hours if I apply any of the other creams. But with this cream, it stays nice and moisturized up till at least 12 hours. Okay, now some of the body lotions that I use. My favorite, new favorite, I would say, is this the Body Shop Shea Dry to Very Dry Skin body lotion and moisturizer. I really, I don't know, I mean, this is the first thing that has actually moisturized my skin throughout the day, and I'm super happy with this product. Unfortunately, because of the lockdown, I could not buy a second one because the stores are closed, and I'm not able to find it anywhere else. But yeah, as soon as the stores open, I'm going to go get it. But in absence of this cream, I am trying all different products. Like, I use Pond's moisturizer, which is my standard moisturizer when I I have very dry skin in winters. And then I have the Vaseline even tone lotion. This is actually not a moisturizer, it's more like just skin brightening lotion, but it's nice, it smells good sometimes, and I have to dress up and I want to moisturize my skin. This one gives a nice glow to my skin. Third one is this vanilla and sandalwood body lotion by Avon Naturals, and this is also something I liked, but I felt its effect was not that good, like not for a longer duration as much as I want, so I did not try it again. And then there's Nivea again, shea. I mean, it has to be shea butter. Any product that I use, I like to use shea butter because that is the smoothest and softest of all. But yeah, I have tried this and I have liked this one also, but again the effect is not as lasting as the one that I use in Body Shop. And then recently, while I went to purchase a perfume, I came across another French moisturizing lotion, and that is this Isomake L'Odyssée. And this is the one I just newly tried this, but it was good, it was nice. I wouldn't say it was that great, but yeah, it was nice. It was a sample piece, and they gave it to me for free along with the perfume, so I just tried it and I liked it. But yeah, like I said, I am an all-time die-hard fan of this Body Shop Sheer butter body lotion, and I'm gonna get it as soon as, you can see it says 72 hours intense moisturizing. It's perfect. It does what it says, and I like that about it. And now the last one is the body wash. So again, like I said, my skin is extremely sensitive. It can't be kept dry, it cannot be exposed to UV light, and it cannot be exposed to any kind of chemical irritants. And you know that most of the soaps that we use, they all have some kind of chemical irritant, so I have been totally prohibited from using soaps. So I had to look out for some kind of body wash that was absolutely kind of soft and smooth to use, and I found one in Dove. So yeah, I'm using Dove's Deeply Nourishing body wash lately, and trust me, it is really good. I mean, it does what it says, because even after I complete my bath, my skin doesn't feel dry. Like, I have done the experiment. On one day I took a bath with a soap, and then I checked, my skin was extremely dry, and then the next day when I took a bath with Dove, it was super soft. My skin, there was not I could not scratch my skin the way I would, I would not get a scratch on my skin the way I would after taking bath from a soap. So yes, it does what it says, and it's deeply moisturizing, and very good to use for dry sensitive skin. And then the other shower gel that I like to use is this Fiamma shower gel of Jolly and Macadamia. It's really nice to smell. I mean, if you smell it, it's like beautiful. It's very royal and sophisticated smell, like the kind that you get when you go to like 5-star hotels, that kind of smell. And it is a very beautiful smelling, and also it makes your skin feel really soft after taking a bath with it, and it smells beautiful after taking the bath. So it's a beautiful shower gel, and it's something I like a lot. I've been using these two this shower gel and this body wash together, and it has been a great experience using this. Okay, now last but not the least, the one cream that I always carry with me, it's like a savior for me whenever I go on any journey or even a one-day trip, is Pico Turmeric. Okay, this is a cream I rely on for any kind of small issues that you face on your skin, be it acne, be it blemishes. Hell, I have a dry skin, so I hardly ever get acne. That is you can say the plus side of having a dry skin. But yeah, touch wood. But yeah, other than that, I do get a lot of cracks on my skin. So apart from the Elizabeth Arden cream, I also use Pico Turmeric. It is a very soothing cream. Whenever I do tend to get burns also a lot when I'm cooking, so this cream is always with me. So this is because it has turmeric, so obviously it has healing properties, so it has to be with me all the time. So yes, this is a cream that I carry all the time with me. Okay guys, so that's all from me for this video, for all the skincare products that I use. I hope you got some idea on which product to use when, and specifically if you have very dry skin, I hope any of these products, if you try, they'll be useful for you. Or if you know any product that you've been trying and it has done wonders for you, then do let me know. I would love to try. Anyway guys, so thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please do hit the like button if you did, and do subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification icon so that you'll know whenever I upload the next video. Until then guys, please take care, have fun, and stay safe. Bye bye.